All right, so we're here. We're in the first dry phase. The booth is in its cure or bake cycle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to clear an alarm. So that could be any type of alarm, that could be a filter alarm, that could be any number of different alarms. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create an alarm by opening our front door during the bake cycle. So we're gonna open it up now. So as you can see now, it's shown up on the board that you have an open door alarm. What that does is it gives you the alarm and it kills the burner. We're going to show you how to clear the alarm. What you need to do is double click directly on the red letters in this white bar. Double click on that. And what you're going to get is an email screen. This is the only way to clear the alarm. You hit send. The alarm's been cleared. Accudraft Live has been notified, and it just gets logged in the cycle. Whether it's important, whether it's not so important, all of that information goes to the back end on the web. So now that it's been cleared, don't forget this. On this alarm specifically, you have to turn the burner back on manually. We cannot allow you to just clear the alarm and the burner won't come on by itself. You have to turn it back on. All you gotta do is hit there, and the burner will come back on.